You can expect a lot from the 2005 Chevrolet Suburban 2500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including a rear window wiper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.